Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start now. Ensure the Nest is powered and the Google Home app is installed on your phone. This is necessary so the device can be discovered. Once powered, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network you intend to use, because discovery relies on local network broadcast. Then open Google Home, tap Add, Plus, and choose Setup Device. This begins pairing. You're doing this first because early discovery reduces later headaches with network mismatches and account linkage. Once the app locates the Nest, scan the QR or enter the setup code. You'll need to grant Bluetooth and location permissions so discovery completes. Next, the app will list nearby networks, select the SSID you prepared and verify whether your router is broadcasting both 4 GHz and 5 GHz. Choose 4 GHz if you need better range. Then type the Wi-Fi password exactly, because one wrong character prevents provisioning. Make sure the phone stays on the same network until the process finishes. Finish by allowing the Nest to install updates and finalize provisioning. You'll see statuses like updating or connected. Avoid powering off during this stage. If the device fails to connect, reboot both the router and the Nest, wait 30 seconds, and try again. Often transient DHCP or handshake issues resolve that way. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm your router isn't enforcing MAC filtering or an unusual 802.11 mode. Disabling the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.